Welcome to AE Drone Academy. Today we uncover the origin of drones. What began as drifting war balloons has now become high-tech flying robots. From Hollywood films to agriculture, from search and rescue to viral YouTube videos, drones are everywhere. A bomb in the sky. In the year 1849, Austria launched an attack on Venice. The story starts with the Austro-Hungarian Empire, not with soldiers or cannons, but with hot air balloons carrying bombs. Each one was armed with explosives and a time fuse mechanism. The plan? Use the wind to carry the balloons over the city and drop bombs from above. It was unpredictable. Some even floated back toward Austrian lines. But it planted an idea. What if war could be waged without pilots? Fast forward to 1917. The United States developed a secret project, the Kettering Bug, a self-flying biplane designed to carry explosives. This wooden aircraft used a preset gyroscope to maintain altitude and direction. It could fly up to 75 miles without human control and then dive onto its target. The Kettering Bug never made it to battle. Only 8 were ever built, but it marked a huge leap forwards, from drifting balloons to guided engine-powered drones. During World War II, drone innovation exploded. Germany deployed the V-1 flying bomb, a terrifying pilotless missile launched against London. It buzzed loudly, earning the nickname Buzz Bomb, and carried a deadly payload. Meanwhile, the British built the Queen Bee, a radio-controlled plane used to train anti-aircraft gunners. It was so influential, the word drone actually came from this aircraft, like a worker bee following commands. After World War II, the Cold War turned drones into spies. The United States developed surveillance drones like the Ryan Firebee. These tiny aircraft, only 8 feet long, were launched from jets to collect photos behind enemy lines. The Firebee packed advanced tech for its time. It paved the way for more experimental designs and high-speed recon drones used by the CIA. It would take decades for drone technology to reach the public. But in the 2000s, companies like Autel made drones accessible to anyone. Today, drones are used in farming, filmmaking, logistics, law enforcement, and even by hobbyists. What started with drifting war balloons is now shaping the skies, the economy, and the future of flight. You can fly a drone, you just need some practice. Start with the basics. Now that you know the origin of drones, what do you want to fly? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more drone history, tutorials, and future tech. This is AE Drone Academy. See you next time.